Okay, problem 16. In the study of I'm not going to read all this. So the time to respond to a visual stimulus X. So this visual stimulus, this here visual is X. And the time to respond to an auditory stimulus, that's Y. They recorded it for 6 subjects. The times were measured. And this is the Minitab output describes the fit of a linear model to this data. Okay, so here's our information, and we want to know what the slope of the least squares regression line is. The most basic information here is the regression equation. This is the least squares regression line right here, and I'll write it out. Instead of auditory and visual, I'm going to write Y and X. So Y equals 193.269291 plus 0.3549555x. Now, if I go to my formula sheet, and I'm still in chapter 10, the regression line equation, y prime equals a plus bx. That's the general form, right? Y prime equals a plus bx, where a is my intercept, my y-intercept, I get y prime intercept, and b is the slope of that regression line. So here's my intercept. That's the coefficient of the constant term that has no variable, right? And 0.3549555, that's the slope. That's the slope of my regression line. That's my slope. The number that's being multiplied by x, by my independent variable, the coefficient of visual. So that's your answer. The slope of the least squares regression line is here. The intercept of the least squares regression line is there.